I have this circular board unfinished from the Dollar Tree, and I'm going to paint it black. I'm using a sponge dabber to do so. Sometimes I mix my chalk synthesis paint with a little bit of water to just give it some movement and help it spread a little further. And once this dried, I'm going to take some painter's tape and place it across the center of my board. In that party section of Hobby Lobby, I found this honeycomb runner. It was $2.99, and I always go when it's 50% off. It's kind of a felt material. I'm going to cut a portion off, and I'm going to take my stick fast and make sure I hit different parts of the honeycomb so I get some good coverage with the glue, and then I'm going to place it on that halfway mark of my board. I'm going to remove the painter's tape, and I'm going to take my pinking shears and cut off the excess honeycomb. I found this high at Hobby Lobby, and I'm going to paint it in Snow Owl just to make it stand out a little bit more. And I'm going to glue it right to the front of my plaque, covering some of the honeycomb. And I'm going to be using my stick fast and a little bit of hot glue. I found these little bees at Hobby Lobby. I also got some ladybugs. And I'm going to glue them randomly around my platform here. I put one on the eye of the high, and then just place them in different places on the honeycomb and in the black area. And I'm using my stick fast. I'm going back to that garland also from that hot party section in Hobby Lobby. And I'm going to remove some of the ribbons from that garland. This garland's going to go a long way throughout my crafting, and it's very inexpensive. And I added some burlap and created a bow and glued it to the top of my plaque here. And I really hope you enjoyed this video. For other tutorials, go check us out on YouTube. You can now watch all our videos at chalkitupfancy.com. For any paint products, tissue paper transfers, or mesh stencils, chalkitupfancy.com. Do not forget our cutouts. And if you'd like to be part of our subscription box, go sign up at chalkitupfancy.com. Thank you so much.